and welcome into this practice. We'll start the practice sitting on our heels. If this is uncomfortable for your knees, you can sit up on a block, place your knees and your heels a bit wider together, elevate your sit bones, it will be more comfortable. So let's start with the hands down on the thighs. Roll the shoulders back a few times to open through the chest. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose, expand your lungs. Sigh out through your mouth. Relax the shoulders and your face. Take a moment to connect with the present moment. Notice your breath. And let your breath help you to connect more with your physical body. Place your left hand over your heart and your right hand over your left hand. Connecting with your heart space. Think about your intention for this day. What do you want to give your energy to? How do you want to be? Who do you want to be today? What quality do you want to find and embody? Planting your intention in your heart. Give your intention one conscious breath. Interlace your fingers. Inhale. Exhale to flip your palms. Push your hands forward, round your back, chin to chest. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, chin to chest, round the back. Inhale, arms up. Push the chest forward, try to keep your elbows straight. Exhale, round your back. One more, arms up as you inhale. Exhale, round the back. Good, arms up, inhale. On your exhale, release your hands now. Interlace your fingers behind you. On your inhale, reach with your arms back, open through the chest. Exhale to bend your elbows, bring your hands to your right body side, elbows come close together. Your head falls towards your right shoulder, keep both shoulders down, inhale here. Exhale, bring your chin to your chest, roll your head over to the left shoulder, inhale. Exhale, back to the right. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest, roll your head over to the left. And back to the right. Inhale to extend your arms, chest forward. Exhale, bend your elbows. Now bring your hands to your other side, to your left side, elbows close together, shoulders down, head falls to the left shoulder. Inhale here. Exhale, roll it over to the right. Inhale. Exhale, back to the left. Inhale. Exhale, to the right. Inhale. Exhale, to the left. Inhale, extend the arms. Good. Now you're going to lean forward a little and tuck your toes under. So we want to sit on the heels. Reach with your hands back. Open the chest. Beautiful. One more breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Look forward. Shift your weight a little bit more back and begin to lift your knees off the floor. So now balancing on your toes. Slowly begin to bring your heels down to the ground as you lift your hips up, coming into a forward fold. Bring your feet hip width apart. Good. Shift the weight more forward. And then bend your right knee. Extend the left leg. Look over your left shoulder up. Switch the sides. Bend your left knee. Straighten the right leg. Look over your right shoulder up. Again, switch. And switch. Switch. One last time. Good. Come back to the center. Release your hands down to the ground. Shake your head, yes and no. Good. And then walk your hands forward and your feet back, coming into a downward facing dog position. Bend your knees, right, left, left, right. Stretch your Achilles, the calves, the backs of your knees, your hamstrings. Nice. Bring your feet together. Inhale to lift your right leg up. Bend your right knee, open your right hip. See if you can bring the heel as close to the hips as possible. Lift the knee higher and then circle with your knee in one direction. And then in the other direction. Good. Inhale to extend your right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot between your hands. Bring your left knee down to the ground. Reach your arms up as you inhale. Exhale to bend your elbows. Cactus arms. Reach with your hands back. Open the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release the hands down and step back. Plank. Chaturanga. You can keep the knees straight or release your knees down. Bend your elbows next to your body. Point your toes, lift your knees off the ground, open the chest, up dog. Exhale, lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Bring the feet together. Now lift your left leg up. Bend your left knee, open your left hip, point your left heel towards your glutes. Circle with your left knee in one direction. And then in the other direction. Good. Inhale to extend your left leg up. Exhale, step with your left foot between your hands. Right knee comes down to the floor. Reach your arms up. Low lunge. Exhale to bend your elbows. Open the chest. Arms up as you inhale. Exhale, hands down. Step your left foot back. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Open the chest here. Engage the core. Exhale. Downward facing dog. One breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to lift your right leg up. Exhale to step with your right foot between your hands. The left knee comes down. Sweep your arms up. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale to bend your elbows. Cactus arms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to bring your hands down. Now extend your right leg. Move your hips back. A few more times going through this flow. Bend your right knee. Lift your arms up as you inhale. Exhale. Cactus arms. Little back bend. Arms up as you inhale. Exhale. Hands down. Extend the right leg. Point your right toes. Send the hips back. One more time. Arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Open through the chest. Arms up, inhale. Exhale, hands down. Half splits. Good. Slowly bring your right foot down to the ground. Shift your weight to your right leg. Lift your left leg up. Standing splits. You can keep both hands on the ground or place your right hand behind your right ankle. Pull yourself closer to your standing leg as you lift your left leg even higher. Two breaths. Keep your hips in one line. Inhale. exhale. 1, inhale, and exhale. Good, look forward. Slowly bend your right knee, bend your left knee, and place your left knee on the pinky toe side of your right foot. Your right hand comes behind you. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale to bend your left elbow, place it behind your right leg. Lengthen the spine, inhale. Exhale to look over your right shoulder. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, counter twist to the left. Good. Look forward. Shift your weight forward to your right leg. Extend your left leg back. Step your right foot back. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, right leg travels up. Exhale to step with your left leg travels up. Exhale to step with your left foot between your hands. Right knee comes down to the floor. Sweep your arms up. Inhale. Exhale to bend the elbows, cactus arms open through the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down. Extend your left leg, point your left toes. 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, open the chest. Arms up as you inhale. Exhale, extend your left leg. 1 more, bend the left knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the heart. Arms up as you inhale. Exhale, hands down. Extend your left leg. Good. Place your left foot down. Shift your weight to your left leg. Lift your right leg up. Standing splits or standing L. You can bring the left hand behind your left ankle. Pull yourself closer to the standing leg, but keep the hips in one line. The left leg, the standing leg is engaged. Pull your left knee up. Square the hips. Lengthen the right leg. Point your toes. Lift the foot even higher. 2 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to look forward. Bend your left knee, bend your right knee, and place your right knee on the pinky toe side of your left foot as you sit down for your twist. Your left arm comes behind you. Inhale to lift the right arm up. Exhale to bend your right elbow, place it behind the left leg. Lengthen the spine on your inhale. Exhale to come deeper into your twist. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. 1 more, lengthen. And twist. Good, look forward. Exhale, counter twist, twisting to the right. Inhale to look forward. Now you're going to walk your left foot as close to your right hip as possible. We want to stack the left knee on top of the right knee. What also helps is to shift the weight forward, bring the knees in one line, and then sit down. If it's unavailable, sit up on a block or a bolster. Cow face. Bring your hands to your feet. Broaden the chest, lengthen the spine. attention to your outer hips. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly lean back. If you have a block, remove the block. Place your hands behind you and extend your legs forward. Navasana. You can hold your thighs or don't hold anything with your hands and just hold with your core for 5, 4, chest open, 3, 2, and 1. Your left leg comes down, your right leg comes over the left leg. First bend your left knee, place your left foot close to your right hip, and then walk your right foot towards the left hip. Maybe lean forward to find the pose. Good. Close the eyes. Inhale to lengthen even more. Exhale to relax the hips. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to relax. One more. Beautiful. Open your eyes. Place your hands behind you. Lean back. Extend your legs forward one more time. And then slowly lower your legs down for your forward fold. So if you can hold your toes and keep the spine straight, do so. Otherwise, feel free to bend your knees as much as you need to. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to bend your elbows sideways and reach with the crown of your head forward. We want to keep the core active here. Lengthen lower back, neck long. Good. Pull both kneecaps up. The quads are active. Three breaths. Two. And 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to slowly come up into a seat. Cross your legs, come to a cross-legged seat. The foot that is usually in front, put it back. So you want to have a different seat than usual. And just place your hands on your thighs, on your knees. Close your eyes. Remember your intention. Feel it in your heart. Feel the intention fill up your whole body. Reach your arms up as you inhale, join your palms on top, and then draw your hands towards the heart. Bow your head down to your heart. Give yourself a smile. And lift your chin up. Blink your eyes open. I thank you for joining this practice. I wish you a beautiful, beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to this channel.